and welcome to another video. So guys, in this video I'm gonna show you that recently I buy this helmet, and I will give you the overview about this helmet, and I will show you the unboxing as well. So guys, if you want to check whether this helmet is fit for your bike, you can check it from there. And there are the variants. You can check out the colors of this Steelbird Air. It's very good, comfortable, depending upon your size. So you can check the customer review is very cute, and you can see the mid-range, like your size variant, each and everything you can get it from this Amazons. So I have this purchase like 3 months ago, and I'm going to unbox this right now, and I will show you what are the comfort zone about this Steelbird Air. And you can check the technical specification about this helmet, and if you have any question regarding this, you can comment over here the customer reviews. So I will just start the video, and I will show you that how the helmet looks, how it looks. And any question regarding this helmet, guys, please comment in the comment sections, and I will come up with that. And if you have any doubt, please to comment, and if you have any questions, so guys, do share and like. So guys, you can see so guys, I have unboxed this helmet Steelbird Air, and it's like very messy. They have packed, so I will just open it and I will just let you know. And they have given me the small papers where you can just check about the specification, each and everything. But I will show you like afterwards about this. First I will open the helmet, and I will just tell you how they have manufactured, what is the quality, build quality, each and everything. So you can check the helmet is like gray matte gray, and the visor, you can check the smoky visor, which is matte black. And the build quality inside is very good, fantastic. And the chain pocket is also very good, fantastic, they have given. And basically this helmet is used for motor vlogging, and you can check like chain mount. If you want to do chain mount, you can do it, it's very easy. And they have, you can check side by side, like the air blow in this helmet they have given, like back side and front side also they have given one, and at the chin side also they have given one mountings. Okay, and if you want to purchase, I have already given you the link. You can just go ahead and buy the link. Its normal cost is like 1,500. Question regarding this helmet, guys, so please comment, share, and if you're not subscribed to my video, so please subscribe and share. Okay guys, I will see you in next video.